Well, hey y'all, welcome to Throttle Power. I just got back from a fun model contest in Indianapolis, Indiana, put on by the Circle City Modelers. If you haven't seen the video yet, I'll link the video to the end of this video. But in this video, this is all about stash ads and my 40 Ford decision. That's right. I've made a decision on what I'm going to do with that 40 Ford, and I picked up a few things at the model contest. Let's check out what we got. First off, I got this tank that's a tack-on from, it's a Saint Chamond. I thought it was really cool looking. Something different. I like different cool tanks. That's why I've got this in it. Pretty cool, I thought. Yeah. We'll see what we can do with it. Something else I got. It's this 37 Ford. I'm wanting to do this kind of like a resto mod truck. That'd be pretty cool. Patinaed, maybe slammed down to the ground. Something pretty cool. And I picked up another 40 Ford. This is stuff I also picked up at that model contest, and now we're kind of getting into the decision on the 40 Ford, what we're going to come up with. Remember about a month ago I asked you guys to vote on, should I build it as a gasser, a rat rod? That's what I want to do, is a gasser or a rat rod. I still can't decide, and the votes were close. I said vote early, vote often. I got a lot of votes, but I think I'll show you the results, and then I'll show you what else I got at the model contest besides that tank, the 37 Ford, and this 40 Ford. Let's go with the results. The results were 24 people voted gasser, 22 people voted rat rod. Now here's the kicker. 17 people said it didn't matter either or. Throw them 17 in, what's the winner? Gasser, rat rod, either. And then we had one person, I'm gonna name names in this. Old Pete from England. Pete said chop the top. Oh gosh, Pete. So 24 for gasser, 22 rat rod, 17 either or, it didn't matter, and I chopped the top from Pete from England. I'm going to show you what else I got at the model contest, and I'm going to tell you what decision I made with the results. We picked up another 40 Ford, and this, so we got these and our box of crap back here. Remember that box of crap? And here's the kicker. Got the little white box. Can you guess where this is from? Can you guess what's in it? This little white box, what is in it, came from Jimmy Flintstone. Jimmy was set up at the show, and I picked up a resin chop top. This is for Pete in England. Chop top. I chopped the top, Pete. Hey, that's what you said. So I got a donor kit for this. We got a chop top. We got the box of crap back there, and I got a whole nother kit. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build 3 of them. Chop top, I don't know how the chop top's gonna be. I'm gonna build a gasser, I'm gonna build a rat rod. I'm gonna try to get it done in the time frame. So I better get going. We'll see you on the next video on Throttle Power.